In this video, I'll show you how to fix a declined debit card. Why is my debit card declined when I have a money? Have you ever faced the frustration of standing at an ATM trying to withdraw cash only to see the dreaded message transaction declined an ATM? Or perhaps you've experienced the embarrassment of your debit card not working when you know there's enough money in your account. You're not alone. Many people, especially in India, encounter this issue. So in this video, we'll unravel the mystery behind the debit card declined reasons and shed light on why your debit card might get declined. So why does your debit card sometimes get declined even when you have money? So there are a few common debit card declined reasons. First would be insufficient funds. Having money on your account is not enough. You must have enough available balance to cover the transaction. Exceeding daily limits. Your bank often sets daily limits for ATM withdrawals and purchases. Black card. If your debit card is lost or stolen, your bank suspects fraudulent activity, they may block your card for your protection. Technical glitches. Sometimes it's not about you or your bank account. Technical issues in the payment system or at the merchant's end can disrupt transactions. Bank-related factors behind debit cards not working. Your bank can also play a role in debit card declines. And here are a few bank-related factors. First would be payment gateway issues. Occasionally, payment gateways experience connectivity problems or downtime leading to transaction failures. Temporary holds. Some transactions like hotel reservations or rental car bookings may result in temporary holds on your funds, reducing your available balance. And card validity. Steps to resolve a debit card decline. Check account balance. Ensure you have enough available balance to cover the transaction. Contact your bank. Reach out to your bank's customer support for assistance. Card replacement. If your card is lost, stolen, or blocked, contact your bank to get a replacement. And safe card usage. Handle your debit card securely and follow safe transaction practices to avoid issues. In a nutshell, while it's frustrating when your debit card gets declined, there are valid reasons for it. Understanding this debit card declined reasons can help you navigate such situations with ease. That is how you can basically fix a declined debit card. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.